Cooking with Salsa Queen, I'm gonna be making a mango pineapple pizza with bacon. So we're gonna start by chopping some green onions. You probably want like a cup of it. Depends how much you like onions. And I got my pizza, my pie pizza, and it is a cauliflower crust. So all of my Atkins friends are safe with this. So this is what we're gonna do. We have some barbecue sauce, and that's gonna be kind of our base, with a little bit of our red chili, just to give it a little bit of spice. And we're gonna spread this all over our pizza. This is gonna be so good, guys. I can't wait for you guys to try it. Super easy. And this crust is already been baked, so I just have to put it in the oven for a little bit and it should be done and ready. We're gonna do the mango pineapple first. So after we put the base, we're gonna put the mango pineapple. Oh my gosh, barbecue and mango pineapple, sí, por favor. And you can put as much as you want. I think that looks good. And then we're gonna sprinkle some bacon. Oh yes, bacon. Sí, bacon. Love bacon. Some bacon. We're gonna put some of these awesome green onions that we chopped, like that. And then we're gonna put some cheese. Wait, was the cheese first? Oh well, doesn't matter. Maybe the cheese was first. Then we're gonna put some cheese. Ay, ay, ay. This is gonna be so yummy. And please have the kids help you in the kitchen to make these awesome recipes because they're very kid friendly. So we use the mango pineapple, red chili, barbecue sauce, bacon, green onions, and cheese. And guess what? It's ready. It's ready to go in the oven. So this crust is already pre-baked, so you just need to put it in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes. So we got the pizza out of the oven. Smells amazing with the bacon in it. So good. And I know this is pretty cool. I have two special guests today. I'm so excited. So we have Dan TDM and Simon. Simon, I know you can be a little bit critical, so please be nice on me. And I know you probably want to get back to your games. So let's try this pizza. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you so much. I'm so excited that you guys are here. Can't wait for you guys to try my delicious pizza. Okay, are you guys ready? Remember, Simon, be nice, okay? And Dan TDM, I know you have to go somewhere to play, so try it and see how good it tastes. Put your plate here if you want. What's up, Simon? Yeah. Simon says yes. And Dan TDM is having some hard time right there chewing his pizza. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Thank you for cooking with Salsa Queen. I hope you guys made this at home. Make sure to follow us, like this video, and check out our other videos.